So when I shared this method, many of you were looking at me and thinking that, okay, I'm performing magic, I am doing magic, but let me tell you something. Once you are doing these things I am showing you on my channel, it's what has already worked for so many other people. Yes, my brother is also on YouTube. My friend is also on YouTube. I have students that are on YouTube and I give them these tips and it works for them. Why I don't do them on this channel is because this channel obviously is a growth niche. It's an educational niche. There are some kind of short video I cannot post on my channel. So I have to grow my channel organically. I don't need to be explaining that to you. You should know this. But if you are in a lifestyle niche, if you are in the entertainment niche, this method is going to work for you. I am going to be giving you real life results of how this was able to work for one of my students. I'm going to give you real life results on how this collab was able to work. You can get your 1,000 subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the same method that I did in that video. I'm going to put you through again on how to do it very easily to get your 1,000 subscribers. And don't stop, don't pause, watch to the end of this video so you can be able to know how you can walk through this thing to be able to get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. Yes, because when he started doing this, it got him a lot of subscribers and it got him a lot of views. Watch it to the end so that you not watch this video to the end so that I will show you tips and strategies on how to do it properly so you will not get a copyright strike. So let's get into the result of this video. Now I want to share my screen with you. Right now, I want to go to the analytics of this video. This particular video. This video got 1 point. Now, wait, let me start my screen recording. Now, this video, when he started collaborating, when he started doing collaborating videos, that's when his channel now that's when his channel now started gaining momentum. His channel started from like 10 subscribers. Now, he has more than. Now, you can see the short has given him 1,480 views and it gave him 3 subscribers. Do you see now? Now, look at the audience retention. Look at real time. Nobody's watching this short anymore. But I'm going to show you another latest of the shorts that also gave him real time video. Now, look at the reach of this video. Look at the reach, 1.4K. Look at how viewers are finding this video. Viewers are finding this video through short feed, YouTube shares, channel pages. If you want to grow your subscriber, you don't need sub for sub to grow your subscriber. You don't need them to deliberately subscribe to your channel. Just go through this process. This process is very, very easy. Now, I'm going to show you another video that I did, another collab video that I did that got in so many views. Now, this is another one. This one got 928 views. Now, look at this. Look at the average percent views, 70.1%. Look at the likes, 21. Now, this is the sweetest part. Look at the subscribers, 7. When you are doing this and you are getting 7, 3, 4, 5, your subscribers will be building up, obviously. Your subscribers will be building up, obviously. Now, I'm going to go to the reach of this video. The reach is 928. And you can see how viewers found this video. You can see how viewers found this video. Funny videos, highlight football, gym at home. Do you see now? Now I'm going to be taking through another video that it did, another collab video that it did that blew up. Because let me tell you the truth, it's not all videos that we post on YouTube that is going to blow up. It's not all videos. You just need to keep doing it. This is another one. This is the sweetest one again. Look at this one. This one gave him 1,000 views. And the average percentage view is 99.3%. Do you see now? I'm sure this one gave him subscribers. Let's see the subscribers, 4. Do you see the subscribers now? The subscribers is 4. Look at the reach. The reach is 1.0K and the engagement. Look at how people are engaged. Look at unique viewers. Look at watch time, 2.4. Average view duration, 15 because the short video, the average view duration will be very short. Do you see now? This is another collab that gave him so many subscribers. When I tell you that this thing gives subscribers, you think I was joking. I'm not here to just give you something that is not working. I'm not here to give you something that is not working. I have tested it. We have already done it on other channels, on my student channel, before I come here to give you a trick. So now watch this video. to the end. Watch this video on how to do this collab to the end. Now, in fact, let me tell you how you can do this collab. Now, we're going to go to our YouTube studio to do this collab together. Now, let's go to your YouTube studio to do this collab. Collab is very, very easy to do. It's very easy. Just pick now you go to your short. You can see the short video of this person here now, right now. Though you can see the short video. I can decide not to use this. I can decide not to use this. Do you see this now? This is like a very good video that you can use. Depend on your niche. You need to follow what it's going to like click with your niche. That is how you do it. That's how you can be able to succeed in this thing. Now you can see I click on the button here, this rotating button here that shows this plus sign. I'm going to click on it. It's going to show use sound, collab, green screen, or cut this video. That I'm going to be using collab now in this scenario. That's the second option. So once I go through this collab now, it's going to load. Just give it time. So you are going to cut the part that you want in this collab. You are going to cut the part that you want in this collab. You want to cut the part that you know that, okay, it's very funny and you know that, okay, you are going to react to it. So now, you are going to cut the part. Let me cut this part right here. And then, you see where he did his nose like this. Just make sure that you are creative. You are a creator. You need to be creative. You need to know what audience are going to really come to your page and see. Now I'm going to be reacting to this right now. You can see my face here. Oh, I'm fine. Now look at this. I'm going to be reacting to this. Do you see now? Do you see what I did there now? I put in my own creativity into this collab, and now it's going to go here now, and then if I click next. If I click next here now, I can add text. Let me go back and add text. Wait, let me go back. You can add text to this. It's going to make the video even more attractive. You are going to use this text to pull people to watch this video. You can add anything, any type of text that is going to pull people to watch this video. Drag the text up of your screen or down. Do you see here now? Then you can click next. You click next and you're going to upload it as your normal shot. You're going to put in everything you need to put in. Your related video, your caption, your location, which is very, very important. And you're going to leave this thing as public, or you schedule your live. What I'm going to be advising you is you schedule your live. Schedule your live is going to give YouTube algorithm enough time to process your video and know who to push it to. So always make sure you schedule your short videos. Always schedule your short videos. Even your long form video, always schedule them. Do not just click on public and let it go. You're not going to have views if you put your videos on public. You're not going to get that much views. So always schedule your video and then do this. And then you can also invite a collaborator. I've talked about this before. Then you can click on altered content. You say no because you did this content with your own you did this content without an AI. You did not use AI. So you are going to click no and then you post your shots. That is just it. This is so very easy. You are going to get 1,000 subscribers if you do this consequently for days. You are going to get 1,000 subscribers, and that is the trick here. So doing this is going to give you a 1,000 subscriber, and if you are struggling to get into 1,000 subscriber, you're going to get to 1,000 subscriber very easily without doing sub for sub, without going through any corners to get to 1,000 subscriber, without buying sub, without going through any other shortcut means. This is going to give you 1,000 subscriber very, very fast. Now, if you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch the detailed video on how I took you through all the steps on how to do this your short and get your 1,000 subscriber, watch this video right here. This is a very detailed video. I did a detailed video on how to use all the tools in that collaboration. All the tools. That was how I explained everything step by step. So watch this video right here to be able to get all that detail and watch it very, very carefully. And I will see you guys in my next video.